Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to enable Google Translate on iPhone. Using Google Translate makes it easy to translate text, websites or conversations instantly, making communication in different languages much smoother. So, let's get started on how to enable Google Translate on iPhone. First, open Google or Google Chrome on your iPhone. Tap on the profile icon from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the languages option. Here you can see the translate pages option. Tap on the toggle switch right next to it. Once the toggle switch turns blue, Google Translate is successfully enabled on your iPhone. And this is how you can enable Google Translate on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.